In the land of the ancient seas, where history whispers in the breeze, there lies a city bold and bright. Haifa shines in day and night. Bell. Haifa, Haifa, northern jewel, your beauty's timeless, calm and cool. From Carmel's heights to the bay so blue, Haifa, my heart belongs to you. Mount Carmel watches over thee, ooh, where the eagle soars wild and free. Gardens blooming, colors fair, a paradise beyond compare. Haifa, Haifa, northern jewel, your beauty's timeless, calm and cool. From Carmel's heights to the bay so blue, Haifa, my heart belongs to you. Mount Carmel watches over thee, where the eagle soars wild and free. Gardens blooming, colors fair, a paradise beyond compare. Haifa, Haifa, northern jewel, your beauty's timeless, calm and cool. From Carmel's heights to the bay so blue, Haifa, my heart belongs to you. Streets alive with culture's grace, ooh, a meeting of each creed and race. Harmony in every street, in Haifa life is so complete. Haifa, Haifa, northern jewel, your beauty's timeless, calm and cool. From Carmel's heights to the bay so blue, Haifa, my heart belongs to you. Oh, Haifa, with your spirit bright, you fill my dreams with pure delight. Forever in my soul you'll stay. Haifa, love will lead the way. Haifa, Haifa, northern jewel, your beauty's timeless, calm and cool. From Carmel's heights to the bay so blue, Haifa, my heart belongs to you. Haifa, Haifa, northern jewel, beauty's timeless, calm and cool. From Carmel's heights to the bay so blue, Haifa, my heart belongs to you. Oh, Haifa, with your spirit.